Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot and a chain. Starting with a slip knot, you'll wrap the yarn around your hand away from you. When you wrap the yarn back around to the beginning, cross it over your first strand of yarn and hold it with your pinky. Insert your hook under the front piece of yarn, pulling up the back piece of yarn, and twist your hook to create a loop. Carefully slide the wrapped yarn off of your fingers. Next, you'll grab the two yarn tails and gently pull. This creates the slip knot. Next, you'll pull your smaller yarn tail to bring the slip knot tight against your hook. Now you're ready to chain. Wrap your working piece of yarn around your hook and pull the loop through the slip knot. You've created one chain stitch. Each yarn over and pull through is one chain. You've just completed a slip knot and a chain.